Man, oh man, what a clean truck. I like it. Clean, clean. He even got the Pirellis on the tires.
Mitch Taylor up next. Mitch Taylor, Ricky Taylor's cousin.
Sound like you got you a fan club over here. Hold on, hold on. Watch Jake, hold on. He's got to get some mud. The kids need some mud.
Hey, Cody, look at his back, right tailgate. That's what the fuck happened, though. That's the friggin' look he had. He was stuck like truck. I bet. No, listen.
Yeah, Bluetooth hubs on that truck. Hey, believe it or not, with all the technology, that'll happen.
All right, Darren.
When you get about to the water, turn left.
All right, Big Darren, here we go.